over $400 made in profit, and this is what you need to do. Step 1, copy this text. Step 2, paste it here. Step 3, click send. Step 4, wait for your credit alert, and yes, you are now making money online. Clicking this video is one of the best decisions you've made, and now you're about to learn how you can make hundreds of dollars in pure passive income right from the comfort of your home without having to invest any money at all. Anyone, even without previous experience, can do this and make money online, and I'm happy to see this method works in Philippines, it works in Nigeria, it works in the United States, Canada, Australia, and in all other countries. So grab your phone or laptop and get ready, because the life-changing tutorial starts in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so let's start with step number 1. First, come over to this site, which I'll be sharing its name in a minute. You probably don't even know what the site is all about. Well, this site is a tool that helps to improve website SEO, and SEO basically means search engine optimization. So in other words, this website helps to improve your search engine optimization. That means how your website ranks in Google, how likely are people to visit your website, and how easy it is for them to discover it, and other stuff related to that nature. But don't worry, you don't need the website, you don't need to have any domain or hosting, and you don't need any SEO knowledge, because you literally don't need anything to make money online with this method. And it's going to be so easy that even a newborn baby could watch this tutorial and be able to set this up and make money from it. So here is the name of the website, mangos.com. This is a website that helps you to rank higher on Google, but you don't need a website and you don't have to invest any money to earn from this tool. As you can see, this site has been in existence since 2014, and this simply means it's a trusted website, and it has also been featured on HubSpot, Backlinko, Website Planet, and so on. And it's also trusted by big companies like Airbnb, Elixir, Adidas, and so on and so forth. So your first step is to come over to mangos.com, and if you want to, you can read more about it. I personally encourage that. Step 2, now that you know what Mangos is, you need to sign up for a free account. So come to the top of the page and click here on start free trial, and this will take you to the page that looks like this. And in order for you to create your free account, all you need to do is to enter your email address, create a password no one knows about, click unlock the robot, and just go to create my Mangos account. Once you do that, you'll be successfully logged into your Mangos account, and your dashboard should look like this. And so that's it for the second step. Now we'll jump straight into step number 3. I hope you're following my steps. If you are, then you're already making some progress. So the third step is going to be going over to google.com. So here we'll start using Google for this step. You need to open Google and just leave it open. We'll start using it in a minute. First and foremost, we need to go back to mangos.com to copy our affiliate link. Now that you have Google opened already, it's time for you to get back to Mangos, and here on the top right corner, you'll be able to see this affiliate option. You can join the affiliate program that pays you recurring monthly commissions of 30%, and if you go back to their pricing plan here, you can see for yourself that the most popular one here is the best value plan, which is for $44.09 per month, which means you'll be making around $14.77 per month for any person you refer to the site. That is just from one single person you refer, right? So that is your monthly income without you having to do any trouble. So let's take a look at this. If you refer 30 people to the site, that's already $400 in recurring commission per month. And if you refer 100 people, that's already over $1,000 plus per month in pure passive income. No work required. Once you have all of those referrals, you can turn off your phone or computer and just enjoy your earnings and do anything you like. And of course, I know the question going on in your mind right now, and it is, Charles, how do I get all of this 100% or even more sign up with my link, and how do I reach out to them so quickly? Yes, I assure you, if you stay around or to the end of this video, I'll show you where you need to put your affiliate link, how to copy and paste something, and how to leverage Google in order to get as many referrals as possible for absolutely free. And it's pretty much going to be a fun and easy process to make money online for yourself, so stick around. Now we are going over to our affiliate section and go to promo materials. Here you can see your affiliate ID link. So this is your main affiliate link that will make us money when people start clicking on it. They'll be set over to this page where they can sign up with Mangos, and depending on the plan they choose, we'll make a monthly recurring commission from ourselves. So copy this affiliate link by clicking on this copy button right here. So that is for step number 4. Copy your affiliate link, and once you are done with that, let's move on to the next step. Now that you have your affiliate link, let's go back to Google and just think for a second, who needs better SEO, better ranking, and more visitors to their website? Well, obviously every single website in the world needs that. and there are currently hundreds of billions of them, which gives us an endless pool of potential buyers. Now all you need to do is you need to just keep watching, because you're about to be blown away how this can make you thousands of dollars, and you just need to do this once, and you are making real passive income for yourself every single month. Anyways, once again, who would benefit from those two but has enough money to invest into it? Well, obviously every business that has a website. And do you know that there are over 1.7 billion websites out there, and you just need at least 100 of them to use your referral link, and you'll be making thousands of dollars every single month. In fact, you can make over $5,000 per month without lifting a finger. That's just insane. But of course, you need to put in some work first. This is not a get rich quick scheme. So your next action will be just to go over to Google and search for some businesses. It can be restaurant, it can be dentist, it can be a pet shop, salon shop, bakery, or literally anything you can think of. And then just think of some small places, a small city or town. You know, for example, I can search for Lagos, Nigeria dentist. You can play around and test out which makes you the most money and which gets you the best search result. So that is why I said it's going to be a really fun and easy process to do. So for now, as an example, I'll search for Lagos, Nigeria dentist. You can search any other place in business. You can even open up a map and randomly pick places. Once you search for that term in Google, skip the ads that shows up on the top, and also skip the first 3 to 5 websites at the top of the search result. And the reason is because these people, they know how to do SEO rightly, and that is why their website is basically ranking on Google. Alright, so they might not need our SEO too, but all other hundreds and thousands of business websites below clearly need our help, and they are willing to invest into their business because they can see a massive return on that investment. So you would open some of those websites, and on them you would need to find their contact information, either at the bottom of the website or at the top of the website. So just find their email address or any other contact form, and let's offer them our affiliate link and help them now. I'll give you a template of how your script should be. So remember, you're basically sending an email, so you should have a good email script. So what we want to do is we want to create a simple message that can make them click on our affiliate link, and this will directly take them to the mangoes.com website where they can sign up and we can make money for ourselves. So you can start your own script or email with something like this: Dear sir or dear ma, I see you have a good website, but your website is not ranking, so you are really missing out on a lot of potential customers. And then maybe you can say something like, I had the same problem recently, but I found out some great tool online that helped me improve my ranking and get me a whole lot of visitors in a matter of days. So you can basically say something like that. And now what you need to do is you need to impute your affiliate link. So you can basically put that down and tell them to click on the link to go purchase or to go take a look at the mangoes.com website. Or basically you can wait for their reply and then send them your affiliate link after you build some trust with them. And remember, you need to do this only once to get some signups, and you keep making monthly passive income for the next couple of months or even couple of years. So sacrifice your time and come up with a very good catchy script. So just to recap, all you need to do is you need to go over to mangoes.com to join the affiliate program and get your affiliate link. Create a simple script for yourself. You can copy mine as well. Go to Google, find some businesses you know, and just paste the script with your affiliate link, and that's it. You will help them by providing the tool that would boost their business website, helping them rank on Google and bringing them a whole lot of visitors, and they'll be thankful to you, and you'll be happy because you can help somebody, but as well you're making a whole lot of money on the recurring basis in return for the hard work, right? So that's it for today. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel with notification turned on. And if you want to make more money online, I recommend you go watch this video where I teach you how to make money with Google Maps. So go watch that video right now if you want to learn how to make money every single day. So I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, bye.